Hey, no passing. Guys, it's starting. It's the final countdown.
Mga palamuti o sa mga bisita na talagang dyan. Pero
But
hindi
dude,
natin
are you excited? The countdown.
purposes lamang po para makakuryente po kami. Especially sa mga bata, no? Sa mga parents na nandyan, kabayaran ng ating mga bata.
Hey, can you picture Kate? I'll record you guys in. This is the aswang. Come on, let's go. Alam mo, Chris, oh my gosh! 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 17, 18, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's so cool! Oh my God! Dude, it's so cool! Take a shout out. Hindi ka magsayaw, Tan. Go. Kate wants to dance. Come on, let her dance. Look at my flashlight. Smile ka pa. Smile ka pa. It is alumni time. Bro, it is the alumni time. I'm Peter.
Sa ating mga bisita,
I'm streamer. I like your mouse.
and also to our board of judges, yan, dito po sila ngayon.
Me calling Francis Tungol. Francis sing Shorba. Literal me. Filipino ka na. Filipino ka na. Ibig ako na Korean with vlog. Yay!
Season is the music.
Sa Princess Puwete na may balls heart.
And all the songs that bring us closer together. And tonight, we're about to be celebrating a song that brings all the performers from Turkey Band and College Band. Okay, everyone, there we go.
These are gonna be the two perfect aswang. I can't play sa bagay. My family, my local. This is the aswang at Tina's. Aswangs. Oh, look at the creatures. Oh my God, the creatures. Guys, let's go over there at the very last. Let's see what it is. Yo, good. Check. Kaya, come here. Kaya, we're gonna go exploring. Oh my God. Let's go exploring. Wow. Why is there smoke? I don't know. They made it. Oh my God. Yo. Oh. I think, guys, Pedro the Pony's on drugs. He's on steroids. This one is. Wait, no, it's Donkey from Shrek. I think he's on steroids. What? Where's the eggs? No, I think those are snowballs. They look tasty no matter what. Oh, look at this. They're all. Hello. They're printed. Wait, let's read their names. Huh? You don't even have pens. I'm recording. They're so cool.
At few people
So let's go inside. Come on.
ang mga request sa mga
Baby Jesus! Wait, dude, that's the angel. That's Mama Maria. I think Joseph. Mama Joseph. Yeah, and there's baby Jesus. For a second, the baby doll frightened me until. And for a second, the baby, the Jesus. Why does disappear? Why does they do not click the baby? Okay then. There's the exit over there. Oh, okay. The aswang. Another spotting of aswang. Yeah, it's a real aswang footage. Run. I guess this is the exit. Wait, exit and jump! Jump! This is the entrance. Ooh, fishy. I hope it's strong enough to hold your weight. That's offensive. This is solid ground. Hello. Why are they so thin? But the fish didn't even get out. How do they live? Teacher Angie, what
Ayan, once again, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ang
is your vaccine? No, I have one. Dude, go! Let's explore, guys!
magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Oh, this looks so cool. It's from there! What? It's from there! What's happening? Why is there smoke? Mist machine. Wait, is it a mist machine or this thing is about to explode?